In today's digital era, there is one tool that dates back from the 15th century and which is still used for connecting businesses and people and for exchanging contact information. And this is the business card. Today, using web to print services allows you to pick your desired design, use your logo, colors, and other elements to create personalized business cards. You can even choose through a variety of shapes, sizes, and material beyond paper to make a high-impact card. First, let's see what information to include on your business card. Typically, a business card should contain your name, that can be your artist name or your real name, website address or social media page if you do not have a website at the moment, email address, and phone number. Concerning the design of the card, it is important to keep it clean and readable. Be careful with the font and color and ensure that this is in line with your logo and other design elements that make your branding. As well, avoid putting too much or unnecessary information on the card. When networking and connecting with people about your art, having business cards at hand is a sign of professionalism. One way for people to remember you is to have what I call high-impact business cards. Now, you can make your business cards an absolutely powerful tool by using them as a small portfolio. And this is my way to stand out of the crowd. Some online printing services allow you to use several pictures in one set of business cards. I get my business cards printed with 4 different pictures of my collection. So, when handing out a business card to a person, in fact, I give that person the possibility to pick one from 4 pictures of my portfolio. This almost every time gets that person curious, interested, or even delighted at the fact of being able to choose. And usually people remember this kind of encounter.